Hello, welcome to the Firearms Training Distance Learning Program. This series of short training videos produced by the MPTC Firearms Training Advisory Committee is designed to provide a low-cost training tool for you, the Department Firearms instructor. The first video in this series is entitled Cardinal Rules of Firearms Safety and will be followed by other topics as they can be produced. Thank you, and we hope you will find these videos useful. There are 4 cardinal rules for firearms safety. If you abide by any one or 2 of these rules religiously, you greatly minimize the chances of an accident. Remember, you are responsible for firearm safety. Cardinal rule number 1. Treat all firearms as if they are loaded. Cardinal rule number 2, never point the muzzle at anything you do not intend to shoot. Cardinal rule number 3, always keep your finger off the trigger until you are on target and have made the conscious decision to fire. Rule number 4, be sure of your target and what's beyond it.